Hello, in this video we are going to see how we can mark a test as expected failure. There are situations when we may mark a test as expected failure. For example, uh, mm, if a test is not complete, obviously it is going to fail. And in this case, for example, we can mark that particular test as failure. So let's create a test. This will fail for sure, and then pass in driver and logger reference that will be provided by nRoBo automatically through driver and logger fixture. So in order to make it this test fail always, we are going to raise a manual exception that is must fail, and let's mark this test as let's run without marking it as expected failure first, and then we'll mark this test as expected failure and rerun the test. So this time we have not marked this test as expected failure. So let's see, this will fail, and tests are running and report is ready. Let's open the report. Here we can see one test pass and one test fail, and this is the reason: exception must fail. So now let's mark this test as expected failure, so that test shoot can no longer result in failure. So let's mark this test as expected failure. pytest.mark.xfail. Now rerun the test again. So in the report, this test will now no longer be in the category of failure. Instead, it will be in the category of expected failure. So 0 test failed, and instead we can see expected failure is 1, and that test is our test which we mark as expected failure. Thank you.